Let's begin the broadcast with breaking updates coming in. Political row has erupted over seating arrangements at the Republic Day parade. The Congress party has accused the government of a protocol mess-up, claiming that senior opposition leaders were sidelined while the BJP veteran LK Advani was given prominence. This is the claim that has been made that the Congress leaders in fact also circulated pictures from 2014 to back their charge, alleging that the Prime Minister and Home Minister are deliberately trying to insult Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. The BJP, however, has rejected this allegation, even as the controversy threatens to overshadow Republic Day celebrations. My colleague Sagrika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika also getting us the scoop. Sagrika, what has the Congress party said now? What is the issue with the seating arrangements?
I'm going to take you through three posts made by three different Congress leaders. Vivek Tankha, look at the picture that he's posted. This is a picture of Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. In the row in front of them, it's Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Vivek Tankha says, and I quote from his post, "This is sheer lack of protocol and grace, maybe too much to expect in present times." Randeep Singh Surjewala too has posted the same picture, Pratibha, and he says, and I quote, "Does such treatment to the leader of opposition in the country meet the standards of any decorum, any tradition and any protocol? This only reveals the frustration of a government plagued by an inferiority complex. In a democracy, differences will persist, but this treatment meted out to Rahul Gandhi is unacceptable." And now let's take you through what Manikam Tagore has said. Manikam Tagore has posted a picture where, from 2014, where he says, this was in 2014. Look at where LK Advani ji was seated then. Why this protocol mess up now? Is it because Modi and Shah want to insult Kharge ji and Rahul ji? Leaders of opposition cannot be insulted like this, especially on Republic Day. So on a day when the country is talking about the forces, when the country is taking pride in the forces, we witnessed that grand, that splendid and spectacular parade where Operation Sindoor spirit was also lauded. The Congress party is making it about the pride of Rahul Gandhi. They have a problem with the seats that were, with the seating arrangement and the way he was sitting behind Shivraj Singh Chauhan. That's the picture posted by them. Over to you, Pratibha.
All right. Sagrika, thank you for joining us with that update. So the Congress party has an issue with the seating arrangements. And Yamika, time and again, it's the same story from the Congress party. Either Rahul Gandhi is not attending these events of the government. We've seen that happen multiple times. Or the Congress party rakes up the issue of a seating arrangement. What is the Congress party's grouse? Why does it believe that Rahul Gandhi has been slighted?
Well, Pratibha, if you remember, then the same kind of concern was being raised by the Congress party on Independence Day as well. But this time, as we have seen, that various Congress leaders are putting out pictures of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, as well as Mr. Rahul Gandhi, sitting in the third row when the Republic Day parade was going on. At that point in time, we have seen that how these pictures have been posted by various Congress leaders, stating that this shows the inferiority complex of the BJP, as it was various leaders including Vivek Tankha, Randeep Singh Surjewala, Manikam Tagore. They have also compared it to the time when the UPA government was being there, as it was Mr. Manikam Tagore who has shared a picture of Mr. LK Advani sitting with the other top leaders of the UPA government, as they have basically making this allegation that it shows the mindset of the BJP government, as this is basically a lack of grace as well as the decorum and the kind of protocols which needs to be followed, because the allegation which the Congress party is making upon the BJP is that there are differences, the political ideological differences which are being there, but they should be treated in a proper manner. The way in which these leader of oppositions have been sitting in the third row, that is basically a violation of the protocols, because the LOPs are also equivalent to the cabinet ministers, but still the way in which these people have been asked to sit in the third row, that is basically do not go down well with the Congress party. They are basically stating that this is an insult of Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, which the BJP government has done intentionally, as for that reason they are also making this kind of a comment that this shows the inferiority complex of the BJP, and that is the only reason why both the LOPs have been asked to sit in the third row for the Republic Day parade.
Okay, stay with us just a moment, Niyamika. The opposition is criticizing